Good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell you about starting MS Excel to inserting rows, inserting columns and creating spreadsheet in MS Excel. So let's start our work. To starting MS Excel, first we click on search box and type MS Excel. MS Excel will be appear here and you can select it. If you have Windows 7, you can click on Start button, then Programs, then Microsoft Office, or choose the option Microsoft Excel. So creating a spreadsheet, here first I want to explain about the terms of Excel window. Here, the top of the window you can see title bar. It shows the name of the file and there is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These are called worksheet. By default, 3 worksheet come in Excel workbook and you can able to see here dark area or dark border that is called active cell. Active cell means where row and column meet, that is called cell. A, B, C, D, E. These are called columns of Excel's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is called row. This is called column and row. Where row and column meet, this is called cell. This cell name is, here is column B and the row 3. So cell name is B3. This is called name box or cell name or active cell B3. B3 is cell name. So start a work or creating a spread. How can you creating a spreadsheet in MS Excel? For creating